Okay, hello everybody. This is a tutorial on how to make a challenge lobby with two PS3s, a 3.55 and a 4.11, but you will need the 3.55 jailbroken PS3, but you will also need the 4.11 or on any type of firmware, whatever you need. And now you're most probably thinking, I do sound like I have a lisp when I'm doing this, but when I get into my PS3 and that, I don't. For some reason, I just sound like I do on this. But you know what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug your USB stick into your PS3, and you're going to want to download the 1.13 package file, and also the patch that you're going to want to use. Just put that on your USB stick, and we're just going to head over to my PS3 now to show you what we need to do. Okay, so now that we're on our 3.55 PS3, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just pretend that wasn't there. Right, what you're going to want to do is you want to go install package files. Now you'll only have one folder in here, and you want to install it. It's the 1.13 update. Just wait for it to install. Doesn't take long at all. Okay, so now that is done. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to download a package file called Congenial's Awesome File Manager. That can also be found in the description as well. So it's just the same as there. You just install it and then you'll get this. Okay, so you're just going to want to open it. Just wait for it to just load on my HD PVR. There we go. So this is it. This is what Congenial's Awesome File Manager will look like. So because you've got your USB plugged in, you're going to want to go on the USB, whatever it's called. Mine's called USB dev underscore USB 006, and you'll see everything that's inside it. And you're going to want to hover. You want to find your patch. And you want to hover over it. Okay, now you're going to want to press right on the D-pad, and then what you're going to want to do on this side is you're going to want to go onto dev underscore HDD0, and then you want to go onto game, and then then you want to download go on the Blaze 00683, and then you'll get these four things. You want to go in the USR DIR. And now you'll get this. You can't go any further. Now, if you're hosting a 1.11 patch, which is like the Elite Mossy, Red Dot City, Derek Trotter, all these lot, you're going to want to hover over the default underscore mp.self and press select, square, and then start. But because I'm not using a 1.11 patch at this moment in time, I'm not going to do it, but you just press select, square, start, and it will delete it. And then you're just going to want to hover over the patch. If you're hosting a 1.13 like Unbound users, you just don't want to delete it. Now hover over the patch there. Now you want to press left again. So you're hovering over the both patch on the left and the right side. So now you want to press select, circle, start. Now what you've done is you've copied the patch over. Now you're just going to want to quit the game. Okay, just wait for this to finish. Okay, so now you're going to want to go onto your network settings, and you want to go disable your internet connection. I don't know why, but just to make sure. And then you're going to want to go on system settings and data transfer utility, like that, and then you'll get these two. Now, because you're data transferring from your 3.55 to your 4.11, you're going to want to go on number 1, and then you're going to want to click no. Now you're going to want to hover over this. Now I'm going to switch over to my 4.11 PS3 now, just to I'll show you in a minute. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we are on our 4.11 online PS3. As you can see, I'm signed in, and so what you're gonna want to do now that you're still hovering over the OK on your 3.55 PS3, you're just gonna want to go along to network settings, and you're going to want to go disable your internet connection, and you want to go onto system settings and data transfer utility. And you're going to want to press number 2, but don't press it yet. Now you're hovering over OK on your first PS, on your 3.55, which is still on at this moment in time. You're going to want to press X on number 2 now, so you want to press them at the same time. So there we go. Just wait for it. I forgot to mention you do need a Ethernet cable connected into both of the PS3s, if I didn't tell you. So just wait for it, and it should say, are you sure you want to do this or this? And it'll say yes or no. So just wait for it. Da, 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 da. There we go. So you're going to go yes and yes. Now say format in your PS3. Okay, so while it does this, let me just check something on my computer. I'm just checking what's it called? I just I host on Tech Game, and I'm just checking my thread quickly. So now it'll just say, what's it called? Now I think it'll have froze here because of, sorry that it's froze, but here we go. So it'll just say do not turn your system or disconnect the Ethernet cable. You do not want to do this. So just wait for it to do this. Now, the more stuff you've got on your jailbroken PS3, the longer your data transfer will take. But mine takes a minute-ish, something like that. Come on. Okay, so guys, so I've just signed back on. All you have to do is just create a new user and enable your internet connection. Then you just go sign up and recover your account, which I've just done. And just to prove that this works, we're just going to go Modern Warfare 2 now. So just wait for it to load. Sorry about this. Here we go. So yeah, this is Aerosol 94's patch. So just go play online. Straight for it. Remember, guys, I'm still on my 4.11 PS3 here. Come on, take your time. There we go. Play online, and then you just go and just go into a private match. Okay, and then if we just load the game up, you can see got the menu, account, unlock challenges, everything like that. And then you got your chat menu. There we go. For that. So that's basically it. And yeah, so till next time, hopefully this did help you out, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.